make a flan, you need a can of condensed milk, a cup of evaporated milk, and 6 egg yolks beaten. In a bowl, mix all the ingredients with a wire whisk until well combined. Add a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Strain the mixture if needed. Now transfer the mixture into the mold. Prepare to steam or bake the flan in a water bath for 50 minutes until it's cooked. Waiting for the flan to be cooked, prepare the syrup by boiling a cup of water with a half cup of brown sugar. Wait for it to slightly thicken. Done, let it cool. Now pour the syrup into the flan. And refrigerate. Serve for dessert and enjoy! Thank you for watching!